Hi everyone. For those who are considering a Velamobile to have for Christmas, we have a couple of small production slots available. I think it's a bulk distance, Alpha 7 and a W9, but I probably write here in the description the exact number, exact bikes. It's starting to get really wet, cold and rainy here in Romania. I had already a really nice day in the snow. I will put a picture here on the screen, but yeah, perfect Velamobile weather. Raining, cold, so let us know. It's today 19, so 22. You have time until 22 November, otherwise we have no chance anymore to deliver before Christmas or to produce before Christmas. But let us know. Have a great, wonderful day. Bye-bye.